You get seniority if death you can't avoid. The lab was up to me. I chose cannabinoids. Heard it's a fun house where a little lab mouse can partake. Pass that new compound over to me, doc. Then I'll swim around. You can punch the clock. I ain't cynical, life's a clinical trial for mouse or man. I'll do anything science might require. Balance on your ring or swing on your wire. And it gives me pleasure to let you measure me after my workout. Or I can play control, knock down placebo, stand the heater cold as if I never know. Just to confuse a man, amuse, oh lucky, c'est moi. Mazes don't faze me lest I get depressed. Or is it just ennui? For that you never test. Real or synthetic, speed or anesthetic, try me on your calming CBDs. New designer jeans, blue THCV, funkadelic terpenes. Any delivery system suits me. Je suis lucky, but one thing I don't want is, man, I live to eat. No Ramona Bond, don't touch mon appetites. Let me nibble your cannabis-roll. Just let me nibble your cannabis-roll. Let me nibble your cannabis-roll.